Alright, what's up everyone? This is Jackswell from Windows Phone Hacker. Today I'm going to actually demonstrate to you how to use the folders application that is going to be released. Actually, it should be released right now. This was planning to be released actually about an hour ago, but this computer is being less stable than Schrodinger's uranium. So yeah. And speaking of which, funny story, I opened the box and there were 2 cats in there. It's kind of weird. Anyway, moving on. What will happen is you'll download the zip file, and of course it's a zip file, so go ahead and extract it. And so open up the folder, and you'll see there is a folderconfig.exe file and a folders.zap.dynamic file. Don't try to be smart and deploy the zap file, it'll be blank, just don't do that. So what you'll do is you open up the folder config file. Now, this is where we need a little bit of an explanation. The reason why we have this folders configure program is because we don't actually have the root access to list the applications on the device. We're working on that. We're hoping we can get that in a later version, but we thought we'd go ahead and get it released ahead of time anyway with this special tool. And this tool actually makes it pretty easy to get things done. So it's a little quirky, but it works. So that's the good news. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and add a folder. So for this test, I'll just call it a Twitter folder, and I'll go ahead and add an application to that. And what I'll do is I'll search for applications in the marketplace, and I'll go ahead and type the name of the application, Twitter. And I'll select Twitter, and it gets the image up there, it gets the name of it, the GUID, and etc. And then I'll go ahead and add another one. I hear Birdsong's a good app. I've never actually tried it, but I hear it's a good app, so I'll go ahead and add that into the folder, and I'll click OK. So here we have the Twitter folder and the ability to save, delete, add more folders, etc. And in case you're wondering, if you want to add homebrew applications to it, what you'll have to do is you'll just go over and edit the menus.txt file. It's just a simple XML coded file. And after you add some menus in there, it'll be clear how to edit it. It's really simple. And then just add the images into the apps folder, and you can add homebrew applications in there. But for just regular end users, what you'll do, again, is just sort of add your folders into the folders config file. And then at this point, what you want to do is make sure your phone is connected to your computer, like so, and synced up with Zune. So make sure Zune is running. And of course, make sure it's developer unlocked, Chevron unlocked, whatever. And then make sure you turn on your phone and get it on the start screen or somewhere else on it. Just make sure it's not on the lock screen or the deploy will fail. So just click the deploy button, and this will compile all the information, save the information, and deploy it onto your phone. And it'll say deploy done. Select the folders to pin from the menu, and at this point on your phone screen, which you'll see in a minute, you will get a folder with an application that'll pop up with a list of the folders that you want to pin onto your start screen. Alright, so just jumping back a little bit, once you click the deploy button, it'll compile everything together, deploy it onto your phone, and then it'll jump you right into the folders application, which is really simple. It's just a list of the folders you created, and when you tap on it, it'll give you an option to pin it onto your start screen, like so. Then you just move it around, and then tap on the tile, and it'll take you into the folder like I showed in my previous video, and then you just select the application you want to open, and it just jumps you right in there, nice and easy. I apologize for the quirkiness of the setup. We're working on it. We're trying to make things a little bit easier on it, maybe add on-device configuration, stuff like that. But for now, that's not possible yet. But with a little bit of patience and a little bit of work, you can get folders on your Windows Phone 7 start screen. So that's just a quick demonstration on how to set up folders on your Windows Phone 7 device. If you like this project or like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool hacks like this, and be sure to follow us on Twitter. Thanks for watching.